Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from crypto.com. If you will find this video useful, make sure to subscribe to this channel. And now once you are on your homepage on crypto.com, you want to go ahead and click on accounts. And here you will see that you have crypto wallet and fiat wallet. So if you have money on fiat wallet, you can choose it. But for me, it would be crypto wallet. And in order to withdraw it, I need to sell it. So you want to click sell, choose a cryptocurrency which you want to go ahead and sell into money. And where it says market order, you want to click on it. It will load up, and then you want to choose target price. After that, at the bottom, you can see that there is cash option. So you want to choose it. After that, just enter the amount of the ETH you want to withdraw. And to have a payment method here, you need to deposit euros from your bank account to crypto.com. And after that, your bank account will be added to crypto.com and it will be like a payment method. Now, when you will go to your fiat wallet, you will have an option just like this. When you click transfer, you will see a withdraw option on fiat wallet 2. And once you will click on it, then you will be able to withdraw it to your bank account. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.